In this video, I'll show you how to change the frame rate of your timeline in DaVinci Resolve without running into locked settings or project restrictions. Let's start from the beginning. Once you've imported your footage into the media pool, do not drag it directly onto the timeline. That's important, because once a timeline is created using the default project settings, the frame rate becomes locked and can't be changed afterward. Instead, right-click directly on your video clip in the media pool and choose Create New Timeline using selected clips and bins. In the dialog box that opens, uncheck Use Project Settings. This will unlock additional options. Now, click on the Format tab inside that window. From there, you can adjust the timeline frame rate dropdown and choose the frame rate you want, like 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. Once you've selected your desired frame rate, click Create. This new timeline will now match the frame rate you specified. Keep in mind, the timeline frame rate is separate from your clip's frame rate. DaVinci Resolve will handle frame interpolation automatically, but if you're working with clips shot at a different frame rate than your timeline, consider enabling optical flow or frame blending in the inspector for smoother results. And that's it. You've now got full control over your timeline's frame rate settings. Just remember to do this before any editing begins.